Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and in today's tip show, we're going to be looking at what else you can do with messages. Most of us probably use messages day to day to communicate with our friends and family, and even sometimes using those business chat options, which some businesses have rolled out, especially over the last year and a half. There's quite a bit that's not immediately apparent in the Messages app. So let me show you some of my favourite features. To start with, I'll open the Messages app. Here I can see a list of messages. And of course, one of the first things that I can do up here is actually swipe on a message. To the right, I have the red option to delete a message, but I also have this purple option to hide alerts from somebody. If I turn this on, I can see a small moon icon, and if I receive a message, then that icon changes a little bit to give me an indication that I've received a message. But if I swipe up out of the messages, I'll see the one, but I haven't actually received a push notification about this. Now I can swipe again and toggle these notifications back on, but instead, let's click into the messages. Here I can see all of my messages, and the first thing I want to do is actually turn that feature back off. So if I click on the name and profile picture at the top, and then go over to Info, I can see a toggle for Hide Alerts. And let's turn that off. And tap Done. Now I'll tap in this top bar again to hide that menu, and let's take a look at some of the other features that we've got right here. Did you know that if you double tap on a message, then you can use this as a quick way to send back a thumbs up, a heart, a laugh, or indeed a question mark to clarify something that's not immediately obvious? However, did you know that if you swipe right on the messages, then you can see the times that these were sent at? This can be quite useful. As you can see, my conversation's been interspersed with 2 timestamps. That's because there was a gap in the messages here. Now, if I go ahead and reply to myself, you'll see that there's no timestamp in between. And if we swipe right, we can see that these messages are just a few minutes apart.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.